Okay, this is lower. This is my lower solenoid. This is to raise the motor solenoid. When I connect the harness for the trim switch to this connection, which would be the green, I can lower it. And if I like the same from the blue wire to the main solenoid, I can raise the motor right here. However, the book calls for these wires to go to these small connections here and here, respectively, blue and green. Yet these won't actuate anything, either one of them. So what is wrong with just continuing to leave these connected to these main connections here? And what does it mean? Does that mean that the solenoids are bad because these small outlets here are not acting like the main over here? I have plenty of juice here at the hotline. So that's what's been kind of running me around in circles here. Running them off of these main deals here is how I burnt that fuse out. So I'm not sure what's going on. I'll leave it to you, those of you who know, and hope we can figure this out. Thank you.